Hey guys, welcome back to Life with Cassie. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make Instant Pot butternut squash soup. So first what I did is I took a little bit of olive oil, and this is just a silicone brush that I rubbed all the olive oil around in my Instant Pot so the soup wouldn't stick. It's not required, but something that I like to do for easy cleanup. So you're going to start with 4 cups of chicken or vegetable stock. This recipe I used 4 cups of chicken stock. I just used 4 cups of water and 4 bouillon cubes. Now you're going to take 8 cloves of garlic, peeled and minced, and put them in the Instant Pot in your stock. And 2 carrots peeled and diced into the stock. And 2 Granny Smith apples cored and diced, and they do not need to be peeled, guys, because you're going to blend this soup up at the end. And add 2 large onions diced into the Instant Pot. Now you guys, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a teaspoon of rubbed sage, and a pinch of cinnamon and nutmeg to the Instant Pot. Now you're going to add your 2 medium uncooked butternut squash, peeled, seeded, and diced. And there will be a link up in the corner that you guys can check out on how to properly cut, peel, and seed a butternut squash. Now you guys are just going to go ahead and mix all of this together, kind of incorporate the stock into the butternut squash. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now you're going to go ahead and secure your Instant Pot lid. Mine was being a little tricky, but I finally got it to seal. And you guys want the button up top to be on sealed. And now you're going to hit manual on your Instant Pot. And you're going to do this for about 8 minutes. And this is a 6-pot or a 6-quart Instant Pot. And this soup will yield about 12 to 16 servings. We are a family of 4, and it was able to feed all of us. Plus, we had leftovers for a few days. I also, yes, right there, guys, what I was showing you was I sealed it, and now the soup has went for the 8 minutes, and what you need to do now is you need to vent out all of the steam and all the pressure before you open up your Instant Pot. So it's just a waiting game right now. Alright, so as soon as it's done, it'll be easier to remove the lid. And now what I went ahead and did was I added my 1 cup of canned unsweetened coconut milk. This was organic that I got from Thrive Market. And just mix it in till well blended. And what you guys can do instead of using the next step, you guys can use an emulsion blender and just stick it right in your soup and blend it in the pot. I did not have one, but I have a Ninja blender and it pulses the soup perfectly. So that's what I use until I get an emulsion blender for my kitchen. So I'm just going to set that aside to make room for blending. And I will leave a link down in the description box below for the Ninja blender. I have had this one for about, probably 3-4 years. And I really, really love this blender. You can put anything in it and it just pulverizes it. You can put it with skin and it, like you saw, the apples went in there with skin on them and the soup will be well blended at the end. And so the soup is very, very hot. And so I didn't want to put a whole lot in there all at once to allow for steam to vent out. And so I just did it in 2 equal parts. And you're just gonna blend and vent out until you have a smooth, non-chunky soup. And now I'm just pouring the soup into a kitchen stainless steel bowl to get ready for serving. So I just took a ladle, stirred it up a little bit, and now it's ready to put into dinner bowls. Yeah, Jack gets a plastic one. Makes it easier to cool down. And guys, I serve this soup with grilled cheese, or I think this night we did grilled ham and cheese. You can do sandwiches, crusty bread. The possibilities are endless. All right, guys, and I just topped it right here with some Garam Masala. It's a wonderful seasoning I love. Yep, and so there was our dinner. You guys can follow me over on Instagram, life_with_Cassie_85. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I will catch you in the next video.